I always thought the old typewriter in the attic was just a relic of the past, a dusty reminder of a time long gone. But last night, it began typing on its own. At first, I assumed it was a prank, but the words it spelled out were deeply intimate details about my family, things I had never been told. The typewriter revealed that my grandmother had a twin who vanished under mysterious circumstances, a secret kept hidden for decades. As I delved deeper, it typed out chilling accusations. My grandfather, revered as a war hero, had orchestrated the twins' disappearance. The final lines it typed, just before the keys jammed with a metallic screech, were a cryptic set of coordinates. When I followed them, they led me to a long abandoned cabin in the woods, where a forgotten grave lay under a gnarled oak tree. Every instinct screamed at me to leave, but the typewriter had one last message: the truth is buried.